naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. Now my hair's getting all mucked up because I've been trying to do this Sound of Silence and Terry won't cooperate. He just won't cooperate. I can't do it. We replay. No, we can't do this. This is the last chance. This my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. Funny, but cause the visions of you keep you. If that's what I was sleeping, and the visions that were planted in my brain still remain. In the sound of silence, I'm not a singer then, means I walk alone between the cobblestone. Hear the words that I wrote to the cold and dead. Of silence, and the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People hearing without listening. People listening without listening. Songs that oh, here he is. Here he is. Come on. Make an appearance. He's not going. Start your cup. Where's your cup? Keep going. Oh. It's unbelievable. Though in the wells of silence, you bow and pray to be on your name. Julia. She's gonna lose. She's gonna lose. She's gonna lose. It'll be the best day. I need a remote. I haven't got a remote. Julia's gonna lose, isn't she? I think so. I want some more sounds. Would you like to go for... Oh, shut up, Terence, you're a pest.
Where's your music?
Hey?
Where's the music?
Hello, Darkness, my friend.
No, any music.
We'll put it on. This one here. This one.
I'll switch your computer off.
No, I'm going there.
No, I have.
You have?
Yeah.
We'll put this music on here. Come on, this is where's the music here then? Terence? Come on, this is a lousy tape. It's not worth tuppence. Come on.
Just a quick word from Terry and Stasha to all our relatives and friends to let you know that we're both in good health and we're doing fine. Thank you.
Did you like that?
Just a quick word from Terry and Stasha to all our relatives and friends to let you know that we're both in good health and we're doing fine. Thank you.
Listen again.
Just a quick word from Terry and Stasha to all our relatives and friends to let you know that we're both in good health and we're doing fine. Thank you.
Yeah, great. Terrific. Just what we always wanted to hear. Lies.